Learning is a constant fueling of curiosity. It means gaining experience and checking your knowledge in action. It also means making mistakes. While learning, you need to constantly sharpen your senses and strengthen your own experience. And sometimes you have to stop, trust your intuition, and open yourself up to paradoxes. Science means looking for a balance between logic and imagination, between a mind and a body. It is a constant discovery that everything is connected with everything. Trust your curiosity. Collegium Da Vinci, the place for the curious.